Let the straight line y equals to 2x touch a circle with center 0, alpha, where alpha greater than 0 and radius r at point A1. Let B1 be the point on the circle such that the line segment A1 B1 is the diameter of the circle. Let alpha plus r equals to 5 plus root 5 match each entry in list 1 to entry in the list 2. So we have been given that there is a straight line y equals to 2x which touches a circle with center 0, alpha, alpha greater than 0, radius r at point A1. B1 is the other extremity of the diameter. A1 B1 is the diameter, and we have alpha plus r equals to 5 plus root 5. How the diagram looks like? Diagram looks like this. So we have a line y equals to 2x and we have a circle with center 0, alpha. Alpha is greater than 0. That means now we will have it on positive direction of y axis. A1 B1 is the diameter and the center is given by O. We haven't labeled it, but we will label it afterwards. And O is given by 0, alpha. Radius is r. So how to solve this problem? We have to find out what is A1 coordinates, B1 coordinates. We also need to find out what is alpha and what is r. First, let's focus on how to find out alpha and r, because we have been given alpha plus r equals to 5 plus root 5. Y equals to 2x, that means slope equals to 2 or tan theta equals to 2. So the inclination is theta is equals to theta. So tan theta equals to 2. If this angle is theta, then we can see that the angle between the diameter and the y-axis will be theta. We can easily see that theta means 90 minus theta left out, angle sum property will give us theta there. Now if tan theta equals to 2, what will be the triangle look like? What is sin theta? What is cos theta? Why are we doing this? Because we know that if I take theta, then cos theta will give me r by alpha. If I know cos theta value, then I can equate it to r by alpha. We also know that alpha plus r equals to 5 plus root 5. Based on that, I can easily calculate what is r and what is alpha. Cos theta equals to r by alpha, but from the triangle cos theta equals to 1 by root 5. So 1 by root 5 equals to r by alpha. R by alpha equals to 1 by root 5, or we can say that alpha equals to root 5 times of r. Now we have another condition with us which says alpha plus r equals to 5 plus root 5. So we can go and substitute there. Alpha plus r equals to 5 plus root 5. In place of alpha, I will substitute root 5r. Then we will have r plus root 5r plus r equals to 5 plus root 5. When we simplify this, we get r equals to root 5. R equals to 5 plus root 5 divided by root 5 plus 1, which is equals to root 5. So r equals to root 5. So we got the radius equals to root 5, then alpha is root 5 into r, that means alpha equals to 5. Therefore, the center of the circle is 0, 5 and the radius equals to square root of 5. So we can go ahead and write that. We can say that center 0, alpha is 0, 5 and radius r equals to root 5. So alpha is 5 and r equals to root 5. Next, we have to find out what are the coordinates of A1 and B1. For this, we can use symmetric form, or we can also use perpendicular line slopes product is -1, and we can use that concept and get the equation of A1 B1, and point of intersection of A1 B1 and y equals to 2x is nothing but point A1. So there are a couple of ways how we can do this. Let us take the easiest way here because the equations are very simple. Y equals to 2, x slope equals to 2. So the perpendicular line A1 B1 slope will be -1 by 2, and O is the midpoint of A1 B1. So what is the equation of A1 B1? Slope is -1 by 2 and there is a point center that is 0, 5. So we can use point slope form and we can easily find out what is the equation of A1 B1. When we use point slope form, the formula will be y minus y1 equals to m into x minus x1. Here x1 y1 is 0 comma 5 and the slope is minus 1 by 2. So the equation of a1 b1 is y minus y1 y minus 5 equals to minus 1 by 2 into x minus 0. Let us simplify that. We will get x plus 2y equals to 10. X plus 2y equals to 10 is one equation. Other equation is y equals to 2x. Point of intersection of these two will be coming from substituting y equals to 2x. Substitution method, we use x plus 4x equals to 10, 5x equals to 10, x equals to 2. So the x coordinate of a1 is 2. Then what will be the y coordinate? Y equals to 2x. That means y equals to 4. So the coordinates of a1 are 2 comma 4. If coordinates of a1 are 2 comma 4, O we know is the midpoint of a1 b1 because center is the midpoint of the diameter. Then easily we can find out what is the b1, which will make it 0 comma, midpoint should be 0 comma 5, 2 comma 4, 0 it should become, so on the other side it should be minus 2. 4 what I need to add, so that when I take average I'll get 5, that is nothing but 6, so it is minus 2 comma 6. We can also use midpoint formula and say x plus 2 by 2 equals to 0, y plus 4 by 2 equals to 5. Simplify that, we get x equals to minus 2 and y equals to 6. So the coordinates of b1 are minus 2 comma 6. So now which one is the correct option? Alpha is equals to 5, r equals to root 5, a1 equals to 2 comma 4 and b1 equals to minus 2 comma 6. So where we have all these correct options, that is option C, P4, Q2, R5 and S3. Option C is the correct option.